Now this is a prone hamstring curl. So you lie on your front, you grab the handles here, you adjust here, and you just use this pad to scoop your legs behind. Now to turn it into a leg extension, you pull this out and then you lift this up. It turns into this, and you can adjust slightly on the back here. Now your quads can probably do a lot heavier than what your hamstrings can do. Here you lock your legs in behind and then you lift. I would suggest if your lower back is aching, then you can grab a foam roller and place it at the lower back part